As any cottager knows, the deck is the scene of all the action at the lake. Because it gets so much use, it's worth it to put in a little bit of extra time to protect your investment. It's a lot of money for a brand new deck, so follow these 3 steps each year to extend the life of the one you already have. First, clean it. Each fall, sweep off the debris to release any moisture that's sitting against the wood, which can cause rot. Then, use your broom to get in between all the deck boards where the little pine needles like to hide out. Do this again in spring. You should also give your deck a good wash at least once a year. On an untreated deck, you can do this with a pressure washer, making sure that it's not set to higher than 1200 psi. An attachment with a scrub brush can also help. So can using a mixture of water, vinegar, and baking soda. Your next step is a thorough inspection. Walk around and hammer in any loose nails and watch out for rotten boards or ones that are cracking, feel spongy, or pull up at the corners. Replace them before the problem spreads. Then, consider stain. If your deck is made of cedar, it is well ventilated, and it is built to shed water, you may not even need one. Instead, you can let the cedar weather to that lovely silver color. If you are looking to maintain the natural color of your deck's wood, no matter the variety, a sealant will help. It will also provide some UV protection to help protect the wood. Keep in mind that some stains and sealants need to be reapplied every few years, or every year if your deck is 10 years old or more. Put in this little extra bit of work each year, and your deck will be the scene of many cottage happy hours to come.